Hey there, LG G7 ThinQ users. Struggling with a sluggish phone experience? In this guide, we'll take you through the steps on how to fix lag on LG G7 ThinQ and bring back that zippy performance you love. Step 1. Clear app cache. One of the simplest ways to revitalize your LG G7 ThinQ is by clearing the app cache. Over time, apps can accumulate excess cache files, which may slow your device. Head to Settings, Storage, Internal Storage, and tap on Cached Data. You'll be prompted to clear the cache for all apps. Confirm this action to free up space and improve speed. Step 2. Uninstall unused apps. Too many apps can hog CPU resources and memory, leading to lag. Go through your apps and uninstall those you no longer need. Simply tap and hold the app icon and drag it to the uninstall option, or go to Settings, Apps and Notifications, and remove apps from there. Step 3. Disable background apps. Multitasking is great, but not when apps you don't use are running in the background. To improve your LG G7 ThinQ's performance, disable background apps. Navigate to Settings, Battery Usage. From there, identify apps that consume the most power. Tap on an app and select Restrict App to limit its background activity. Step 4. Check for software updates. Keeping your phone's software up to date is crucial for maintaining performance. LG frequently releases updates to fix bugs and enhance performance. To check for updates, go to Settings, System Update Center, Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it to improve your device's speed. Step 5. Optimize home screen settings. An overloaded home screen with widgets and animated backgrounds can cause lag. Simplify by reducing the number of widgets and opting for a static wallpaper. Ensure your home screen is neat to help speed up navigation. Step 6. Perform a factory reset. If all else fails, consider a factory reset. This will erase all data and settings on your device, so ensure you back up important information first. To reset, navigate to Settings, System, Restart and Reset, Factory Data Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to restore your LG G7 ThinQ to its original settings. By following these steps, you can effectively tackle the lag issues on your LG G7 ThinQ and enjoy a smoother, faster smartphone experience. Whether you're clearing up caches, updating software, or simplifying your home screen, these methods can make a noticeable difference. Always remember to back up important data before making major changes and enjoy the newfound speed of your device. Happy optimizing.